ABCD is a square of side 3, and EF are midpoints of sides AB and BC, respectively. What is the area of the quadrilateral EBFD? So, quadrilateral EBFD. So, I will shade the quadrilateral. So, we want to find the area of this quadrilateral EBFD. Okay, so we know that the given quadrilateral ABCD is square with side of 3. So the side is 3. So the side of this is 3, and then all the sides are equal to 3. And then E and F, so E and F are midpoints. So E and F are midpoints, so that means the height of this, so we have two congruent right triangles here. Okay, since E and F are both midpoints. So, since F is midpoints of BC, therefore, the height of this right triangle is 1.5. Okay, since this is 3, so midpoint, so just divide by 2, we have 1.5, and then this part is also 1.5. So, to get the area, what is the area of the quadrilateral EBFD? We just need to get the area of the square and then subtract the area of the two right triangles. Okay, so therefore, the area of quadrilateral EBFD is equal to area of EBFD is equal to the area of the square minus the area of the two congruent right triangles. So we just multiply by 2 since they are congruent. 2 times the area of the right triangle. Okay? So the area of the square, area of square is equal to side squared. Okay? Minus the area of triangle is, the formula for area of triangle is 1/2 times base times height. 1/2 BH. Okay? So just substitute the given. The side of the square is 3. So we have S squared. So we have 3 squared minus 2 times 1/2 times the base of this right triangle is 3. And then times the height is 1.5. Okay, so times 1.5. 1.5, we can write that as 3/2, or so let's just write 1.5. Okay, and then let's simplify 3 squared, so 3 times 3, that is equal to 9, minus, we can cancel out the 2. 2 times 1/2 times 3 times 1.5, so 2 times 1/2, that is 1, so we can just simply cancel. So we have 3, multiply this 3 times 1.5, that is equal to 4.5. And then subtract 9 minus 4.5, that is equal to 4.5. So therefore, the area of the quadrilateral EBFD is 4.5, and that is letter D. Follow for more.